exterior. This window here, much bigger profile. It kind of looks like almost a huge picture frame on the inside. And then this one is much more slim, so you get the benefit of the look on the inside and the outside. Okay. This window here is also a jump frame. It's the same method as this. We just chose to display it with jam and case. And we didn't leave anything cut out because we were able to show that here. But this one's actually finished.
So that one, in essence, is finished the same way as this one is, just with jam and casing?
With jam and case, and the width of this window is also the same as this one and this one, but these two are the same width and height.
Yep, gotcha. Okay, cool. Would you talk a little bit about the block install here and how it finishes out on the interior of the house?
So this one, we showed the use of box trim. It's not necessarily something that's really common in block install, but occasionally it will be used. So because we undersized on this side on the exterior and this side, so that we could get this demo wall finished, we used box trim, but we use this in many other applications. We use this box trim for patio doors. If our door jamb isn't thick enough, it's a 2x8/6 wall. The casing is remaining, or we're putting on new casing. Sometimes there's a gap, and we'll use this box trim to fill in that gap. Once again, just like the flat trim on these other windows or this one here, it's all color coordinated to match our window products. Other instances when this box trim can be used, sometimes when we're installing a patio door on the bottom where the flooring, usually tile, sometimes their tile is actually further back and we've got to fill in that gap. So we'll use a color coordinated box trim to fill that gap in as well. That's usually not the case. It does occur. Usually we're actually trimming back tile in most cases, but in some cases this does occur. So it does have actually, it's kind of a versatile product that has many utility purposes.
Okay.
Okay.
Let me ask you a question real quick. How much, by installation type, which some of them aren't going to have any, how much drywall damage can we expect?
On most of these, zero.
Virtually none.
Yeah, the expectation is zero, but the possibility does exist, and that's why we have drywall crews that can make repairs for us.
Okay, perfect.